Okay, well, good to see everybody. I wanted to come down to the hive. It looks like it's the end of the day, middle of September. Temperature at the end of the day here is about 79. It's been hot today, so it's interesting to see what they're starting to do. The colony is definitely growing in number. But you can see they're starting to do a little bit of bearding, what's called bearding, gathering up right here at the edge of the hive, at the entrance. They're not incredibly active. There you can see they're coming back in. Sometimes they kind of limit the number that are coming in to regulate the temperature of the hive inside is what I'm learning. Always interesting to see this, because the first reaction, especially for somebody like me who's a first-year beekeeper, is, oh my gosh, they're about to swarm on me. I don't think that's the case. I think they're simply just regulating the temperature, regulating the number of bees. Bees are coming in at the end of the day, but this is a small number of bees bearding. There's other examples where they cover up the whole side of the hive or hang off the bottom. Certainly not the case, but I just thought I would get this video to show you something kind of cool. I'll probably get in there over the next day or two, maybe real early or late in the evening. Hopefully I can wait till Saturday to change the feed, to just update the feed, just give them more. I'm sure they're out of it. So anyway, wanted to show you that. Thought it was kind of cool. Sometimes immediately when I see that at a distance, I'm like, oh my gosh, they're about to swarm. But I've always heard this is actually a good thing and healthy for the hive, part of just regulating the temperature. Anyway, hope you have a nice night. If you like, subscribe. Also, I've attached some things on the description. Check it out. You can actually go in and look at more products and things associated with bees. See you next time.